Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Ragsdale and I am the co-director and choreographer on In the Heights at Musical Theatre Southwest. This is my lovely associate choreographer, Miss Maia Plevin, and she's going to take you through some of the combination for 96,000, which is going to be our dance audition combo. So we're going to start facing upstage, and we're going to count you in 5, 6, and the steps are going to start on 7. On count 7, you're going to go ahead and step onto that right foot and kick out the left and catch your fist over the top of your head. We're going to take 4 steps starting on the left foot to turn around and face downstage. We're going left, right, left, right. On count 1, we're going to start crawling in the right heel. So we're going to come in right heel, toe, and then on the count and, we are going to jump forward onto the right foot and hit the right elbow with the left hand. So if we take it back to 1, 5, 6, 7, 4 steps to turn around. 1 and 2 and. Now we're gonna step out on the left foot. The arms are gonna go up and say stop. 3 and they're gonna come down. 4, we're gonna plie and keep the hands where they're at. 4 and we're gonna step the left foot across the front of the right and clasp our hands right over left. 5, 6, we're going to rotate the wrists around as we step the right foot around behind and close the hands together on count 6. 6 and we're going to start a ripple through the body from the left wrist all the way down to the right. 6 and 7 and. We're going to hit the right shoulder forward 2 times on 8 and. From here, we're going to bring both arms over the top and down to the left knee. 1. We're going to turn the right knee in and we're going to turn the right knee out on 2. Then we're on count 3. We're going to go ahead and pull the right arm up over the right shoulder. Count 4. We're going to pull the left hand up and it's going to pull up our right knee as well. We're going to go ahead on 4 and is to hit the left hand out to the side and the right leg out to the side. We'll bring them back in to catch the knee. From here, you're going to push the right knee down with the left hand and it's going to take you back to do a slide on the left foot. Push and slide and. Step down behind yourself on that right foot. Moving on from here, we're going to do a 3-step turn to the right, over the right shoulder, starting with the right foot. It's going to look like this. Right, left, right. One more time for the 3-step turn. The hands are clasped over the head. We're turning over the right shoulder. Right, left, right. From here, we're going to swim the arms through as we rond de jambe the right leg around and step together. On count 3, our right hand comes up. Count 4, we use the fingers to slowly close the hand as we look over at it. On and 5, we're going to step to the left, left, right. Now we're going to whip the right hand down and ball change, and bring both arms up and over the head as we do a pas de bourrée, pas de bourrée. Let's go through those feet one more time. So we've just done the whip to the side with the ball change right, left. Now we're going to step behind ourselves, right, left, right, and sit back into the right hip. From here, we're taking the left elbow up as we step forward with the left foot. We're going to step forward, left, together, left, together. We're going to step out to the right, making a frame with the left hand, punch over the frame with the right hand, punch under the frame with the right hand, and then close the right hand on top as we step the left foot in front. From here, we're going to open up the arms and flex the hands. We're going to touch the right foot out to the side and tilt the entire body over to the right. Your body's tilted over to the right. You're now going to take 5 steps over your right shoulder with the arms coming through to lift up to a prayer position. You get 2 slow steps as you pull that prayer down. Pull, pull, and then 4 steps descending on these trumpet accents that go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here, you're just gonna party. Yeah. All right, now we're gonna walk you through 96,000 with counts. So you'll hear us say 5, 6, you'll hit 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and 7 and 8, and 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hey, hey, party.